he kiuria kirorio guku mitandao-ini na kirorio na mihehu na nie ndigwetigira kuria mihehu tondu nie ni nguria ciuria ciothe ci hakiri-ini yakwa. Nie ndigwenda kumenya kana you agree with me or you don't. Agikorwo ni uraigua maundu maya ta marathi uguo magakuingihira ri mundu ri ablokaga page teno agathie the next githe tiguo. Nie ni ndirenda kuria kiuria kimwe. Mundurume uyu wa Betty uyu mahikanitie ri ari kutu kucio Betty agitwarwo thibitari ni Neighbors alikuwa wapi? Speech ino ya wasanii ri mahoyaga mbeca utuku ri mahuragire ngina sister cia Betty na macokanirire ri muthuri uyu tari ku atahuriirwo thimu erwo mutumia wake ni atwarwo thibitari ni mbeca icio ni irendekana. Nie ndire na uru tutirauga ati we are not condemning them, ni ciuria tureyuria, we just thinking loud tugakorwo na guts cia kuria ciuria ici. Niki tutarerwo ni ahuriirwo thimu akirwo atume mbeca? Niki mathire gwetha andu aria angi magitiga muthuri wake na ariku na immediately Betty akua twaikarire thibitari thiku inyari muthenya ucio ri arikuo? What is not adding up? Twireni inyu muramenya uhoro, inyu turakirwo tutiu wi uhoro, inyu muyu uhoro ri twireni. Betty Bayo, a woman that was loved and cherished by Kenyans. She died believing that Kenyans hated her. Because of online bullying. I can't even remember the last time Betty was in a scandal. I can't remember her being in, scandals. She was a quiet person, a private person, a very mature person. Yani, nimesikiza Shiro, wa GP giving her tribute to her best friend, and I'm like, wow. I just wished that Betty Bayo passed on knowing how much she was loved and cherished. Having said that, it is quite important, if you love someone, let them know you love them when they are alive. If you cherish someone, let them know they are appreciated, they are cherished. Wakiwa uhai. Because just listening at that testimony, and she died believing that she was bullied and hated by Kenyans. And I can't even remember the last time Betty was in a scandal. She was a very quiet, private person. But anyway, manze, Mungu tu kumbuka watoto wa Betty. Remember Tash. Remember Shiro, best friends. It's not easy. Patia mtu flowers zake akiwa uhai. Ambia mtu unampenda. If someone has to go, let them go knowing that this person loved me, that this person cherished me. Tafadhali. I think that's the biggest taker. Manze.